Okay, chicken Caesar salad. Lunch was good, you guys. It was very good. All right. For number 7 and 8, what you want to do is make your little bootleg sketch of what's happening. You know, we got these vertices at -5, comma 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 1. Okay, that's a vertex. So this is the idea. However, because I'm teaching you how to do this, I need my graph to be really clear. So, you know, even though I could sit here and do this like I'm doing, all right, -5, comma 1, and then -5, comma -7 would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My point is, I'm going to go ahead and put this on actual graph paper. So yours is going to be, you're going to have to draw your own graph, but I'm going to throw graph paper on here so I can keep it clear, crystal clear. So, like I said, vertices at -5, comma 1. That's right there. -5, comma -7. That would be right here. Those are my vertices. Right there, that tells me, because it's vertical, that tells me that the y coordinates are going to go first. Okay, so that means in the equation, it's going to be like y minus k squared, and then it's going to be our x minus h squared. All right, it's vertical, so the y term should be first and positive. But we can figure out exactly what the center is just based on this. Okay, distance from center to focus is, okay, the center should be halfway between these two. So this is from -7 to 1, so that's a total of 8. So if I go up half of that would be 4. So 2, 4. So this should be right in the center. Okay, so that tells me that my center is the point -5, comma -3. That's my center. Well, guys, that's my h and my k. All right, so that -5 is going to come over here and become +5. This -3 is going to come over here and become +3. Okay, so +3, that's my k, and then +5. Okay, so now all I need is my a squared and my b squared. Well, check it out. The a squared, I can already see that right now. The a squared, well, a is right here. So a is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a squared is 16. So I'm going to have my 16 right here. Now, all I need is my my b squared. Now, nothing up here tells me that, but they did tell me that the distance from the center to the focus is 97. Well, the distance from the center to the focus is also known as the c value. So they're telling us that c equals square root of 97. Let me just recopy that. C equals radical 97. Okay? So look, so I have A and I have C. So I should be able to find B. So let's use our little formula, right? The formula is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So if I take my radical 97 squared should equal A squared, which I already know is 16, plus B squared. Well, so this is just, if I take radical 97 and square it, I just get 97. The radical and the square cancel each other out. So I have 97 equals 16 plus B squared. if I subtract 16 from both sides, okay, that's going to give me b squared is equal to 81. Okay, and that's going to go right here. Please notice that we will not take the square root. We want b squared, so we'll just leave it as 81. Okay, last one, number 8. Again, I'm going to copy and use a real graph, but you will have to do some sort of a bootleg sketch. Whoops. Okay, let's see what we got. Vertices. The vertices are 7, 2. So here we go. 7, 2. And 11, 2. Well, this is out there. We'll figure it out. 11, 2. Okay, so right away that tells me that we have a horizontal hyperbola. So that tells me that the x values will come first because it's horizontal. So it'll be like x minus h squared over something minus y minus k squared over something equals 1. Okay, also we should know what the center is. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 apart. So the center should be halfway between. So here's my center right here. Okay, so guys, my center is the point 9, 2. Okay, 9, 2 is my center. That gives me my h and my k. Alright, so my h and k are the 9 and the 2. So I've got x minus 9 and y minus 2. So all I need are my a squared and my b squared. Well, you know, I feel like I should zoom in. The my a value is also right here. It's just the distance between the focus. I'll use this side. This is my a value from the center to the vertex. That's my a value. So clearly a is 2. So here we put a squared, which is 4. Okay, now, but look, they also gave us the co-vertices, which will directly give us the b value. So let's see what happens. 9, 8. So here's 9, 8. So that's a co-vertex. And 9, -4. So there's 9, -4. Okay, well, that tells us the b value because this distance from the co-vertex to the center is the b value. So b, so this is what, 2, 4, 6. So b is 6. So that means this is going to be 36, all right, because that's b squared. And that's it. So I didn't even have to use that formula. This is the standard form equation. All right, and I'm pretty sure that's all we had to do. All right, it just says write, let's see, do we have to find any stuff? Right, so the directions for this whole page, write the equation of the hyperbola in standard form. Okay, given this information. So we're done. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you didn't copy off of me. Please make sure you can do these problems by yourself. That test is coming up quick. See you on the next video, guys.